Welcome back to the Bird Chef. Today we're going to be showing you how to make carrot cake from scratch. Let's get started. Alright, first up we got 2 1/4 cups of flour. To that we're going to add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and 2 teaspoons of baking soda. We're going to add 2 cups of sugar. We're going to give that a little stir just to get it mixed up a little bit. And then to that, we're going to add 2 cups of shredded carrots. Get that mixed in there. And we got 1 1/2 cups of oil. Blending that in there. And then finally, we're going to add the 4 eggs. We're going to go one at a time. We're going to blend it in as we add them. Alright, now that that's all blended together, we're ready to put it in our baking pans. Alright, first up we're going to grease our pans. We're going to take some shortening right here. And we're going to spread that around the bottom. And then we're going to sprinkle in some flour. And we're going to pop that around. We got a nice even coat along the bottom and keeps the cake from sticking. Right. Now we're going to divide our carrot cake evenly amongst the 2 pans. There we go. Now we're ready to bake those at 350 for 35 minutes. Alright, now for the frosting, we got 8 ounces of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of butter. We're going to plop that in there. And we got 3 cups of powdered sugar. First we're going to start off by mashing this butter and cream cheese a little bit. Then we're going to slowly add the 3 cups of powdered sugar. A little bit at a time. And we're going to use a fork to blend it together. Alright, now that we've got all that powdered sugar incorporated in there, we're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we're going to incorporate that into there so we get that vanilla flavor with that. Now for our final step, we're going to want to take a spatula and just whip the crap out of it. This is helping to add air to it to give it a fluffier texture. Alright, now that's all fluffed up and incorporated in there, we're ready to frost that cake. Alright, now that that's out of the oven, it's had time to cool. We're ready to frost that up. We're going to start off by taking a little bit of frosting, put it on there. Using our frosting spatula, we're going to spread it on there evenly. Now we got a nice even layer on there. We're ready to put the other one on top. We're going to put that other layer right on top of there. And we're going to do the same thing. Then we're going to get it nice and even across the sides. And there's our beautiful cake. Let's take a look. Doesn't that look beautiful? There you go. And there you have a homemade carrot cake. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for our next video.